Hello doctors, welcome to the Catalyst. This is a YouTube channel specially dedicated to one of the most sought after professions in the world, which is definitely that of a doctor. I dedicate this channel to the doctors fraternity out there who are working tirelessly day and night for the society. In this video, I'll be explaining the sole reason for you to subscribe to the channel. What is this channel about? This channel will be dealing with all the tips and tricks for the preparation of various entrance exams for doctors all throughout the world, like USMLE, PLAB, NEET, INICET, etc. I'll be providing you with the mnemonics of difficult topics as well as detailed videos about many important concepts which are must know for us during the diagnosis as well as the treatment. How do I prepare the content? I will be providing the information from all the standard textbooks out there like Harrison's, Williams, Gray's, Guyton, etc. Even though I prepare the content from all these texts, there can be humanly errors on my part, which you, my fellow colleagues, have to correct. All the videos will be short, crisp. There won't be any beating around the bush, that is for sure. Where will the content be available? Videos on the topic will be available in our YouTube channel, and the detailed notes will be available in our blog. And short GIFs and pictures will be available in our Instagram. I'll be linking all the handles in the description below. Please feel free to connect with me on all social media to get the best use of the content which I provide. When will I post the content? I won't assure to post on every Mondays and Fridays, nor every Tuesdays and Sundays. I'll try to post content regularly, but as you all know, our profession has a very tight schedule. Moreover, making a video takes an immense amount of effort. So please do share with all our mates to show your support. I hope the Catalyst is not only going to be a mere YouTube channel, instead, it is going to be a big family of doctors with a very similar interest to share knowledge and help the society in the best possible way. Hope you got a reason to subscribe to my channel, which in the coming days is going to be our channel. Thank you for watching and spending your precious minutes with me.